came like this. I did an unboxing video or wrapping video, whatever you guys call it. But it turned out to be a disaster, so I could not use the video. So maybe I'm going to add it. I'm not sure, but anywho, it came this way, like this, and like this, and with this, right? So basically, how to just fix this place and this place. We are going to just be screwing it. Easy peasy. When I unwrapped it at first, there was no guy, and I was like, please, how am I going to know how to fix this? But it was really easy to fix, and tada, we have it. We have it. So something very good about this phone tripod is that you can basically like do anyhow you want it, really. And there's something I also like about it. It has this stretch, so if your phone is like quite big or something, can still like you'll still be able to like use. So I'm going to be using my phone to just see how it works. So this is my phone. Let's do something. I'm going to just be removing the pouch so that it doesn't, because it's quite lighter. It's quite light. So you have to also be careful. It's light. When I saw it at first, I was like, oh, why is this thing very small and light? But I guess it's doing its work, so no point. So if you want to be doing like if you want to be shooting a video in a landscape format, look at that. I hope you guys can see it. Just like you have it here, and then you can just place it like this. I hope you guys can see it. I'm sure. And there you have it here. I think one of the things that I really appreciate about it is that it's quite flexible. And here, yeah, this is where you can adjust the tightening. You can loosen it from here and tighten it from here. Look at that. Look at that. I'm loosening it like this, and then you can tighten it this way. So it can allow you to like move this side. So if I'm going for portraits, like I said, I'm just going to be putting it this way. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, I hope this helps really. But in all, it's actually a very simple, easygoing phone tripod that can help your content creation journey. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you're going to be getting one for yourself. I got on Jumia. I think is once you type like phone tripod, you're going to see pop up. It's like very popular on YouTube, very popular on Jumia and stuff. So yeah, you can get yours. If you're just bumping on my video for the first time, please do also give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.